Welcome to our channel. While YouTube doesn't have traditional call logs like phone apps, you can export your viewing history and interaction data. Follow these steps to access and export your YouTube activity data. Step 1. Open your web browser and go to youtube.com. Then sign into your Google account if you're not already logged in. Step 2. Click on your profile picture in the top right corner and select Your Data in YouTube from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Scroll down to find Download your YouTube data or navigate to Google Takeout by clicking the relevant link. Step 4. In Google Takeout, scroll through the list of Google services and ensure YouTube and YouTube Music is selected. Step 5. Click on All YouTube Data Included to customize what data you want to export, such as history, comments, or subscriptions. Step 6. Select your desired data types by checking or unchecking boxes. Then click OK to confirm your selections. Step 7. Choose your delivery method, file type, usually zip, and frequency, one-time or scheduled exports, at the bottom of the page. Step 8. Click Create Export and wait for Google to prepare your data, which will be sent to your email when ready for download. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.